sets you free. Believe in only you. Yesterday is gone, forget about tomorrow, and the ceilings you see right through. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky. There's only one way out. Inside a prison view, 10 whispers or a shout. Gunpowder if it's true. Smoke before the fire. No one else can slay the dragon sleeping inside of you. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Alright guys, good morning. I just wanted to throw this in here really quick because I did makeup today, and I actually recorded an intro, outro earlier, and it was in portrait form instead of landscape, like YouTube videos are. So I'm re-recording it. The essential of it is, hey, I put on makeup, I wanted to share this because I like voiceovers, but I put on makeup, so I want to share this. The goal for today is clean, cook HelloFresh for dinner. I want to clean my bathroom specifically because it really needs to be decluttered. But other than that, that's the essential. I have work stuff to do today. My shop launch happened yesterday, and this morning I want to put together a advertisement, which is essentially just a picture of my choosing and a note that for the launch week / my birthday week, we're going to do 15% off. So I'm going to send that out hopefully today before lunch. And those are my goals. That's it. We'll see what happens in this video, guys. So hope you had a wonderful day. Hope you enjoy watching me clean, cook, and all those things. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
We will stand our ground. Breath from eternal lungs cannot be undone by anyone. Words breaking from the past, from behind these masks. We will not hold back the truth. Let it fill your ears.
forever here to hold your hand. Oh, across the sky won't outshine my love for you. Fire in the dark with blinding light won't outshine my love for you. Every hour, every day, every step along the way, whatever storms may arise, I'm forever here, right by your side. Oh, 10 million suns across the sky won't outshine my love for you. Fire in the dark with blinding light won't outshine my love for you. Oh, 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 oh. While I tell you just how beautiful you look tonight, as if you haven't heard me say about 100 times. You shake your head and look away. I promise that I've tried my hardest to let go of this, but every time I think about a world without you in it, my life becomes a darker shade of gray. Hey, hey, and all I wanna do is make you smile. When darkness still ensues, I wanna be alive. Whatever we go through, I'll make it worth your while. 'Cause every minute, every hour, every day, I wanna make you smile. Stand and keep on staring while I tell you that you're all I need. And even though I know you know that I'm a fighting breed, I'm gonna keep on showing you exactly what I mean. 'Cause all I wanna do is make you smile. When darkness still ensues, I wanna be alive. Whatever we go through, I'll make it worth your while. 'Cause every minute, every hour, every day, I wanna make you smile. If there comes a day when our love has gone away, I'll know it was worth it. Every night I lie beside you, and your tears keep you awake. Honey, it's all worth it. You'll always be worth it. 'Cause all I wanna do is make you smile when darkness still ensues. I wanna be alive. What